You gonna let her walk?
Look. Oh my goodness. Wow.
What is it?
She got that to get on it. What'd you get? Now what, Dad?
Can you push the button, Scout? Can you push the button? Huh?
Where's the button, Dad?
Grammy, show her how to push the button.
Where is it?
It's right there on beside, no, on like a throttle on her right hand. Right hand, there's an actual button. Put her feet up on the sides.
Her feet won't stay very good.
Well, they will if she... Okay. Push it. You gotta hold it down. It'll take some time, yeah.
Traction on the floor too, maybe part of it. I don't know.
What do you think?
She's not used to having so much power.
Yay!
What do you think?
Her legs are moving in.
Oh, really? Gonna ride with your leg up now, huh? No, 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 don't push it now. No, you got it.
She has no hands.
And her legs are hanging up.
You have no idea. Just get
I
ready.
don't think we're ready for tricks yet.
What does Santa say? What does Santa Claus say? Huh? What does Santa Claus say? Say ho ho ho. Hold on. Say ho ho ho. Can you tell me what Santa says?
What are you doing? Don't get this on tape.
Oh, Duke it.
Scout.
Oh, don't do that. No, me.
He said, oh, oh, oh. Merry Christmas.
You want to record?
Where's batteries in the camera?
You gonna get on